Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is field level security. It controls whether a user can view, edit and delete the value for a particular field on an object. It is configured for a user's profile. Using field level security (FLS), administrator can controls whether a user can view, edit and delete. Let's see an example. Hide student custom object religion field from user A. So to see the changes, let's log into our Salesforce account. So let's verify in our app employee management system. Just click on EMS. On the student object, let's see what the fields are available. So name, gender, religion. So this is the field what we need to hide from user A account, and user A is holding system administrator new profile. So again just verify that user what the profile he is having. So under administration, expand users, click user. So this is user A at network.com. So this is using profile system administrator new. So again just log in with user A account. And here also let's verify what the fields are available for student object. Click on new. So here new, gender, religion is available over here. So we need to hide this religion field for user A, this account, who is using system administrator new profile. So again come back to our main user, that is Salesforce Network, this. So go to system administrator new profile. So first is page layout, then field level security, coming under custom fields. So these are the custom field. So under this we need a student object. Click on view. In this we need a religion. This is a pick list, and read access, edit access is there. Click on edit button. Just remove the religion access from here and click on save button. So it's done. Again come back to our user A profile, user A account, reload the page. So now we are not able to see the religion field. For the student object. Again if we are going to our main account, so again click on system administrator new profile, click on edit at the same place. On the religion, just give the access, view and edit access, and click on save button. So it's done. Again it is visible for a student object. So again come back to our user A account, click on student new. So we are seeing the religion field for user A account that is holding system administrator new profile. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, Please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.